Okay, now we're going to talk about uploading and video optimization. Uploading your video is is the first step in the YouTube marketing process. YouTube really makes it fairly simple to upload and provide information on all of your videos. And the information you provide is extremely important when it comes to search engine positioning. So it helps with YouTube search engine and it helps with Google search engine. So uploading and optimizing is really important. You at least have to do this. If you don't do anything else, I tell you, you at least have to optimize your videos, and at least that will do something for you. Of course, there's a lot more, but optimization at least is in my opinion, one of the most important things. So to do that, we need to upload a video. Whenever you want to upload a video, there's an upload button up here at the top of YouTube. There's also a drop down right next to the word upload, and that gives you access to your video manager and your analytics page. Remember, there's more than one way to get to these pages, and this is just another way to do it. But we're going to upload, so we're going to click the upload button. And it's going to take us to an upload page. Now the upload page consists of a giant button that lets you select files to upload, and we're going to do that in a second. It also lets you set this video to public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. Public is what we usually want. Unlisted means that you can have it not show up in the search results and YouTube search results, and only people that have the link to this video can watch it. And this is handy if you just want to have somebody watch a video and not everybody in the world watch it. You can also have a private video, which means only you can watch this video if you're logged in. And scheduled means that you can actually have a video be private until a certain time, and then when that date and time happen, the video becomes public. So this is great if you have like scheduled programming that you want to come out maybe once every Tuesday, once every other Tuesday, something along those lines. You can create all of the videos first and schedule them, and then it's all done automatically for you, so it's pretty nice. The other nice thing that you can do in the upload page is you can record a webcam capture, which basically means if you have a webcam, you can just click record and it'll record right into a YouTube video, so you don't even have to download it to your computer or anything. It goes right into YouTube, so that's pretty handy. And this works really well if you want to respond to another person's video with a video of your own. You can whip these out really quick. It also works really well if you think of an idea, if you have a point that you want to mention really quickly. You don't have to get out your camera and microphone. You can just use the webcam and create a video that way. You can also create a video slideshow a photo slideshow with images. Which is nice again. Slideshows are another good video technique for marketing. Not as good as talking heads, but pretty good. We also have Google Hangout, which means you can have a live broadcast via Google Hangout, and you can use YouTube to broadcast it. And then we can also go to the video editor, which I will cover later, and it discusses how to cut the videos and add effects and stuff like that. But for right now, and the reason why it is the largest button is because most people just do this. They want to select a file from their computer to upload, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to a folder, and I'm going to choose a video. My videos are MP4, and right when I select that video, it's going to start uploading. While it's uploading, this is a progress bar, and when it gets all the way full, it will be uploaded, and then YouTube has to process it. But this page always comes up when it's uploading your video, and you can do a couple neat things. First off, something might pop up that just kind of gives you a heads up that it might be audio-video issues. I know it isn't, so I'm just going to close this right back up. But here's some other information that you can enter in while you're waiting for your video to upload. The title, the description, and the tags. And these are the three most important things you need to do to optimize your YouTube videos, okay? The first one is the title. The title is the most important. The reason why the title is the most important is because on YouTube, when somebody is searching for somebody, when the search engines are searching for a term or a keyword that somebody has typed in, the search engines send out these little robots or little spiders that are searching for this term, and they come across the title first, because the title in YouTube is more closer to the top of the page, and so the spiders search from the top of the page down and they read left to right. So the title is very important. What we do for the title is we like to use a technique such as we want to put keywords in the title. That's very important. So you need to find keywords that are related to the video that you're uploading, and you need to put keywords in the title. We like to do a general category sort of idea. So we like, let's say it was dog training. So we like to do a general category. So we will do dog training, and this is our title. And then we would put a dash or a colon, and then I'm going to use a dash and a colon, and then I'm going to do more of a specific phrase title that's related to the content, and it's going to be filled with keywords again. So I'm going to do how to stop your dog puppy. There we go, puppy from barking. So what we're doing here is we have a broad category, dog training, and that might get people that are searching for dog training. And then we also have a subtitle that also has some keywords and some phrases that are important. How to is always pretty good, so if you can put a title in that has how to, people actually do search how to do this, how to do that. That will help. And then we also have puppy or barking puppy, which is could be a keyword term for a video if I wanted to do a video on how to stop your puppy from barking. So it's a little bit more nichified, and this one's a little bit more broad. And that is how you optimize a title. You want to do it with as many keywords as you can, but you don't want to spam it, so you want to make it seem legitimate. The next important thing is the description box. This is really, really important for a lot of different reasons. We want to put in a URL in the description box, and that is a link to your website or a link to whoever else you want to wherever you want to send your viewers to, whatever website. So it has to be the entire long link, so it needs to be http://www, and then whatever your website is, .com or whatever it is, .org, .gov. And we want to put that first, and I'll show you why you want to put that first in a second. You also want to fill up the description with, we like to fill up the description with a summary of what the video is about. And then underneath that, we like to put more of a general paragraph or so, or a general summary of the business in general, business as a whole. So the first paragraph, the summary about what the video is about, is going to have some keywords in it that are basically talking about, here is how to teach your dog to your puppy from barking. So you want to kind of repeat what was in the title. And then the general summary is something that you can use in every one of your videos, and it would be something along the lines of like more about the brand information, or if it's a local business, it would be like the local business information, kind of almost like an about me section. Below that, you can put some more links if you want. You can put social networking links, such as a Twitter page, which again, you have to put http:// and then the site, my site, whatever it is for Twitter. You can also do the Facebook link. You can do your own YouTube channel link, and I'll show you how to do all these later. Google Plus, and so on and so on. So you can put more than one link, but the most important link is the one up at the top, and we'll get into why in a second. The next most important thing that you need to do with optimization is you need to do your tags. And tags are words that are related to the content of this specific video. So in this example, I would pick dog training, and then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard, and it's going to enter in as a phrase, dog training. I don't like to do dog as one word and then training, because people might be looking for a million other dog things, and people might not be looking for dog training in particular. So these keywords just capture people that are looking for any type of training, and this keyword captures people that are looking for anything related to a dog, which is okay. But when they get to this video, they're going to think, if they're looking for stuffed animal dogs, they're not going to be happy with a puppy barking video. dog training as a phrase is a lot better. You're going to get a little bit less traffic, but the traffic you get is going to be of a higher quality, and that's what we want to go for. So we're doing phrases. So dog training is one, puppy training is another. We can do stop barking. And this is where your keyword research comes in. I don't know all the keywords for puppy training, but I'm just doing it off of this one video. And what I like to do is I like to put roughly 6 to 12 different tags. I don't like to go crazy and fill up the tag box with a ton of related terms, because I'm going for quality, not quantity. So I want to get people that are looking for specific dog training, puppy training, stop barking. If I start putting in random other dog related, like dog treats, dog exercises, dog funny dogs and stuff like that, you will get people, but they're not going to be pleased with the video that they come across your video. So I'm going again for less people, but the people are higher quality, and those people usually turn out to be the customer. So I like to put 6 to 12 different keyword phrases. You can also do individual words if you want to. But like I said, you got to be careful with that, because it's going to be more, you're going to get a larger, broader group of people that probably aren't even looking for that. And it's also more competitive. And then what I like to do is I like to, then you can do a general keyword if you want. So I have dog training, I have puppy training, stop barking, puppy. You can do how to. And then what I like to do is I like to do something called the secret tag trick. And I will go into that next, but I want to just cover what else goes on in the upload process. We also can change our settings. Remember before how you could do public, unlisted, private, and you can also add names to people that can view it. And then you can also do scheduled, which means you would pick a date and a time, and you can also and then it will become visible at that time. I'm going to choose public for right now. On top of that, below that, you can also send a message to your subscribers. So when you upload a video, your subscribers get notified, and you can actually send them a message saying something along the lines of, hey, check this out. It's really cool. Or something along those lines to get people to watch it. And then you can also pick a category, and a category is important to choose. A category is sort of like a tag. It's a broader category, and you want to find the one that best suits your topic. If it was dog training, I would pick pets and animals, and that would be my category. Below that is video thumbnails, and that is the little thumbnail image that when people search for a term and they see the thumbnail, that's what they're going to see. So I can choose one of these that YouTube just sets up for me, which none of these look really good because they're all white. So I have a button here for a custom thumbnail. And the next video is going to show you how to create a custom thumbnail. Once you create your custom thumbnail or use one of these, you will click Save Changes, and then your video will be in your video manager. There's another tab here that has to do with monetization. You can choose again to monetize your video, and if you click the monetize my video, it's going to ask you what kind of ads you want to use and where do you want it syndicated. I usually just stick with these. I don't need to get too specific. This could be a whole other video in itself, but I choose the basics setup here. And then we also have advanced settings, and we will get to that next in a little while. So first off, let's take a look at how to create a custom thumbnail.